Based on the request from one of my viewers, I decided to bring to you ahead versus forward. These two words are sometimes confusing to English learners. In this video, I'll teach you the difference between them and when they can be used similarly in sentences. Okay, let's begin with the similarity. We can use ahead and forward to talk about progress. So when you are referring to making progress or advancement, you can use ahead or forward, especially when the word move is involved. You can say move ahead or move forward. That is the area where they are similar. Now let's look at the difference between them. We will begin with ahead and take some of these questions as our examples. After that, we will talk about when to use forward, okay? Now, ahead is used when you are talking about position. And the position must be in front. So, ahead is used to talk about position in front, okay? Not at the back, not any other way, but in front. Also use ahead when you're referring to someone doing something earlier than others, okay? Use ahead also when referring to something happening in the future time. Lastly, use ahead when giving permission. Okay, so we have position in front, doing something earlier, something happening in future or later, then for permission. Now let's pick out the questions here whose answers are ahead. I'll use them to explain all of these to you, okay? The first one is this. The car blank of us suddenly turned left. Here in this sentence, you can see that we are talking about the position of the car. Okay, where was the car before it suddenly turned left? We are talking about the position. So, ahead is the right word to use here. The car ahead of us suddenly turned left. The next one is 4. Better opportunities lie blank. Here you can see the sentence suggests something happening in future. So we use ahead for this. Better opportunities lie ahead. Future. 6. Sarah finished the test blank of everyone else. Here you can see Sarah is being talked about here. She finished the test earlier than everyone else. So ahead is correct here. Sarah finished the test ahead of everyone else, doing something earlier than others, okay? 8. Go straight blank and you will see the bank on your right. This is a fixed expression. We have fixed expressions in English and this is one of them. Go straight ahead and you will see the bank on your right. So this is a fixed expression in English. And when you say go straight ahead, you are telling the person to move in front. The next is number 9. The runner was far blank of the others during the race. This is obviously talking about the position of the runner in the race. So here we are talking about position in front. So the runner was ahead of the others during the race. Now for permission, there's no example like that here, but you can say go ahead and eat the food. That's permission. I told them to go ahead with the job. That's permission. Let's look at forward. We use it when talking about direction of movement. So if you're to tell someone to move in a certain direction, forward is the right word to use. Okay, now let's look at the examples. Please move blank so others can enter the room. Here we are giving someone direction to move. He should not just move, but move forward. Direction. Next is question 3. We are looking blank to the holiday next month. Here we have a fixed expression, so it's a fixed expression. Fixed expression. We are looking forward to the holiday next month. Next is question 5. The teacher asked the students to come blank and introduce themselves. Here the teacher is not just asking the students to come, he is giving them direction. So they should come forward and introduce themselves. So this is about giving direction. Next is question 7. The company is trying to move blank after the crisis. Here the word move can go with forward and ahead. If you say the company is trying to move forward after the crisis, it means they are trying to make progress after the crisis. If you say the company is trying to move ahead after the crisis, it's still the same thing. Number 10, we can use both ahead and forward in a sentence. Number 10 is an example of that. The team kept moving blank even though many challenges lay blank. Now let's consider this part. Whenever you see lay blank, you must use ahead because it's talking about future, something that will happen later. So lay ahead. That is a fixed expression. We always say lay ahead, not lay forward. Now, for this space, the team kept moving blank, even though many challenges lay ahead. Here we have moving, and this can go with either forward or ahead. But we use forward here to avoid repetition of ahead and ahead, okay? The team kept moving forward even though many challenges lay ahead. 11. The manager asked us to push blank with a new project. Here we have the word push, and push can go with forward, and it can also go with ahead. There will only be a slight difference in meaning. The manager asked us to push forward with a new project. The last one, 12. There is a truck just blank of the motorcycle. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next grammar lesson.